Today we have a very interesting topic to talk about, and that is farming.
Farming is one of the oldest professions in the lives. Yes, farming is actually the foundation of our food system. Every day we eat food that comes from farms. Exactly. Without farmers, our supermarkets would be empty. There would be no bread, no vegetables, and no fruits on our tables.
I agree, but many people today are not very familiar with farming because they live in cities and have very little connection to agriculture.
That's a good point. In cities, people usually buy food from stores. There is a long process that begins on a farm.
So today, we are going to talk about different aspects of farming.
Modern farming methods and why farming is important for our future. That sounds great. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is farming?
Farming is all about growing food from the land, like these carrots. Farming is the practice of growing crops and raising animals for food, fiber.
It includes egg products. Yes, and farming has existed for thousands of years. In fact, the history of farming goes back more than 10,000 years.
Before farming started, humans were hunters and gatherers. They moved from place to place looking for food.
That's right. But once people learned how to grow crops and domesticate animals, they started settling in one place, later cities.
So farming played a very important role in the development of human civilization.
Agriculture allowed people to produce food in large quantities, which supported population growth and economic development.
Now let's talk about some common types of farming.
One of the most common types is crop farming. This involves growing crops such as rice, wheat, corn, barley, fruits, and vegetables.
Another type is livestock farming, which involves raising animals such as cows, sheep, goats, chickens, and pigs.
These animals provide products like milk, meat, eggs, wool, and leather.
There is also mixed farming, where farmers grow crops and raise animals on the same farm.
Oh, that's interesting. Mixed farming is very efficient because animal waste can be used as fertilizer for crops.
That's brilliant. Exactly. It creates a natural cycle that helps improve soil fertility.
I love that. It's so rewarding. Another interesting type of farming is organic farming.
Organic farming avoids chemical fertilizers and pesticides.
Instead, we use natural methods to grow crops and control pests. Many people prefer organic food because they believe it is healthier and more environmentally friendly. Yes, farmers depend on natural factors such as soil quality, sunlight, rainfall, and temperature.
And if the weather conditions are good, crops grow well, and farmers can have a successful harvest.
But if there is drought, floods, or storms, crops can be damaged and farmers may face losses.
Weather uncertainty is one of the biggest challenges in farming.
That's why many farmers now use modern technologies to monitor weather conditions and improve crop production.
For example, some farmers use irrigation systems to supply water to crops when rainfall is not enough.
Others use greenhouses to protect plants from extreme weather.
Technology is really transforming the agricultural industry.
Absolutely, it's amazing. Yes, machines like tractors, harvesters, and seed drills have made farming much more efficient.
In the past, farmers had to do most of the work manually.
That required a lot of time and physical effort.
But today, machines can do the same work much faster.
Another modern development is precision farming.
Precision farming uses technologies like GPS, sensors, and drones to monitor crops and soil conditions.
This allows farmers to use water, fertilizer, and pesticides more efficiently.
That's great! It also helps reduce waste and protect the environment.
Speaking of the environment, sustainable farming is becoming very important.
Sustainable farming focuses on producing food while protecting natural resources.
That includes conserving water, improving soil health, and reducing pollution.
Farmers also plant trees and use crop rotation to maintain soil fertility.
Crop rotation means growing different crops in the same field during different seasons.
This helps prevent soil depletion and reduces pests and diseases.
Another important aspect of farming is soil health.
Healthy soil contains nutrients that plants need to grow.
Farmers often use fertilizers and compost to improve soil quality.
Organic matter in the soil also helps retain water and support plant growth.
Farming is truly a fascinating and essential industry.
It connects us to nature, supports our economy, and feeds billions of people around the world.
And that is why we should always appreciate the hard work of farmers.
Every meal we eat is a result of the dedication and effort of farmers. So the next time you enjoy a meal,
Remember the farmers who made it possible. And with that, it's the end. Please like and subscribe for more videos.